Countable and Uncountable Nouns. Today, we are going to learn countable and uncountable nouns, starting with countable nouns. Let's look at these words in red. There's a big brown dog running around. Your book is on the kitchen table. We like the large bottles of mineral water. The words dog, book, and bottles are examples of countable nouns. So, let's understand what are countable nouns. In English grammar, countable nouns are individual people, animals, places, things, or ideas which can be counted. Let's see some more examples of countable nouns. I have 4 oranges left. There were only a few students present in the class. My friend Joe has 3 rabbits in his house. Now, let's understand uncountable nouns. See the highlighted words in these examples. There is no more milk in the kitchen. There is no problem of electricity in my colony. Knowledge gives us confidence. The words which are marked in red in the examples given below are all uncountable nouns. So what are uncountable nouns? Uncountable nouns are nouns that cannot be counted using numbers. They can be anything like abstract ideas, qualities, physical objects, substances, concepts, etc. that are very small to be counted. Let's explore some more examples of uncountable nouns. Anger may spoil anybody. I always have a fear of dogs. I drink a glass of milk. Now, let's have a revision session with a few activities.